Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you two more glam decor ideas that you can have to help spruce up your home for this fall season. Alright everyone, I have this pumpkin here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Isn't it nice? It's absolutely beautiful as it is all by itself. It has the nice gold at the top. It's so sweet. It opens up. You could use it for a candle or as a trinket holder like I'm going to show you. So today is going to be a craft and talk. Yes. And then this is what I'll be glamming it out with, this nice gold chain that I got from Beebeecraft. And I'll be using some E6000 to lay it down. So we are just going to start and use the E6000 and place our chain going right around the bottom half of our pumpkin. Like I was saying, today is a craft and talk. Yes, we have a little chit chat today. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to everyone for all the well wishes. When I had my COVID scare, yes, it was a little scary, but it wasn't too bad because I did have all my shots. You know, my immune system is weak because of my lung condition, so I had to have my shots. Yeah, so I had them. So that did help a lot. Yes, it did. And your girl is doing much better now. And back at what I love doing, which is crafting. Crafting helps me a lot. It helps me soothe my soul. And I feel good when I'm doing the DIYs. And I know I am sharing to help others to make things that they can make for themselves, make for their loved ones, or even items that they can resell and make some money for themselves. That gives me a lot of pleasure. So as you see, I'm just going to continue laying the chain down and cutting it. And because the E6000 doesn't dry right away, you have time to straighten out your chain. Yep. Another thing, YouTube has been shady with me lately. OMG, they're not showing my videos to my subscribers. A lot of my subscribers, they come on and they tell, oh my gosh, I haven't seen you in so long. And I'm like, but I put up videos every week. You know, they said they're not getting my notifications. They're not getting anything. Anyway, doesn't this look nice? So I think I will add some more gold to the top part, the lid. I think that will look very nice. So again, the E6000, and we'll add it to the top part of our chain. Yeah, so like I was saying, YouTube is not putting out my videos. You know, my views have gone way down from what they used to be. But you know what, you guys, that's okay. Even if it's just 10 people seeing my videos, I don't mind. I do not mind. I appreciate it because I came on here to help soothe my soul, help me feel better, and that's all that counts. So even if 10 people see my video and they get some little help from my DIYs, it makes me feel good. And on Wednesdays, I'm trying to do more Cricut videos on Wednesdays. That's my day for doing Cricut. And doing t-shirts and, you know, different things that you could do with the pressing machines and all that good stuff. And I hope you guys will support me on Wednesdays and Sundays. Even if you don't have a Cricut or a pressing machine, I'd really appreciate if you guys just come over and give your girl some support on her videos. And Sundays, of course, will be my regular DIY videos. So I am liking how this is turning out with the bling on top. Doesn't it look nice? Oh, I love it. I think that looks really cute. So here is the finished look, all done up for you guys on display. I like how it turned out. You know, all we did was add the gold chain to it, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Didn't have to paint it, didn't have to do anything. It's a nice ceramic little jar. I see a lot of people put candles inside. Yeah, they burn the wax and put it in and make it into a candle. And I didn't want to do that. I want to make mine a little trinket holder, and I think it turned out beautiful. And here we go with some goodies inside. Like I said, I want it as a trinket holder. You can put your jewelry in it. Anything that you would like. Doesn't it look nice? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, leave a comment down below and tell your girl what you think of our DIY number 1, our cute gold and white little trinket holder. Yeah, a pumpkin. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. But tell me what you think and what you would put in yours. Okay, for DIY number 2, we are going to make a ginger jar. Yeah, I have this jar here with the lid. And I said, oh, this would be perfect to make a ginger jar. So I'm going to use some black spray paint. And oops, oh gosh, sorry you guys. Yeah, I'm going to use this black spray paint and spray paint the jar on the inside. I'll just take it outside to spray paint, let it dry for a few hours, and then I will come back when it's all dry. Okay, so the jar is all dry now. We spray painted just the inside. I had helped to spray paint it, you guys, because with spray paint the fumes in me it's not good, so I had helped to spray paint it. So like I was saying, I spray painted the inside and I taped off the lid and just sprayed the inside, this little piece here of the lid. Oh gosh, the jar keeps rolling away. Yeah, so this is how it turned out. So now I'm going to use some of this pink mirror tile that I got from Beebeecraft. Isn't this nice? I love how it looks. It's all nice, a nice shade of pink. So we're going to use that. And it does come with a self-adhesive on it. So we're just going to take off the strip and add it going around our ginger jar. Okay, I think it's best I put it to stand up and lay the mirrors on there so it's more sturdy. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, there we go. So now I'm gonna just go right around with the mirrors. So I want to do another live. I'm not sure if you guys a lot of you got to see my live, but I did a live video with crafting and using the heat press and all that good stuff. And that was about a month ago, and your girl really would like to start doing some more lives. I think it's really neat, it's fun, and get to talk with you guys in live time. It was really neat. So I think I'm going to look about doing some lives, if it's maybe once or twice a month, or maybe even once a week. I'll see how that goes. But I really would like to add some more lives to my channel. And now I'm going to be adding some of this glam silver chain, again from Beebeecraft, going around my ginger jar. And I will be using some E6000 to place the chain going down. So like I was saying, I do want to incorporate some more lives on my channel. It's fun. I think it's really nice interacting with you guys. So I'm going to try and set that up. No, I'm not technically inclined. Like I see some of these lives and they have more than one video angle and stuff like that. I'm not too sure how to do that. But you know what? I'll do what I can. You know, not everybody's the same. And as long as I'm on there and you guys can see what I'm doing, I think it's perfectly fine. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing that. Adding more lives to my channel. Yeah, and I have some more reviews and stuff to share with you guys because companies have been reaching out to me. Well, a lot of companies reach out to me. I don't answer to all of them, but the ones that I like, I answer to, and I will share my opinion with you guys. You know, I get their product tested out for a while, and then if I like it, then I give you my opinion on it. Yeah. So I have those items to share with you, and most likely I'll be sharing them on a Wednesday. Yeah, probably I'll do that on Wednesday's videos. Share the items that I get to review. Yeah, maybe once in a while I'll pop one in on a Sunday, but mostly on a Wednesday I'll be doing that. So we're just placing the chain going all the way around. And like how it's the E6000, when you're finished, you have time to straighten out your chain just to make sure it's nice and neat on your project. Yeah, just take that little extra time and give your project that added touch. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding some of this glam sheet here, again from Beebeecraft. I like their DIY items that they have. They're bling. They're very nice and easy to use. So I'm just going to be placing this strip going around the top part of my ginger jar. And I hope you guys are all doing well today. Yeah, I hope you're doing really well wherever you are. And you know, if you have ailments like me, I call them ailments. You know, make the most of your day. Don't let your sickness get in the way. I don't. I try not to. Even if it knocks me down, I get up punching, get up fighting with a smile on my face. Don't let it wear you down. Yeah. And your girl is so excited. I got contacted again by Toronto General, the place looking about my lung transplant. They want me to come in and do some more assessments and stuff. So hopefully your girl will be listed soon and get my transplant. Okay, so the lid now, I'm going to be adding some bling going around the top part of the lid. But I will keep you guys informed more as the process goes along. Anything pertaining to my lungs, I will keep you guys informed. Now is just the beginning, so I don't have much to say, but I will keep you informed all about that. And here is our finished look for our ginger jar. I like how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely lovely. A nice little ginger jar, a lovely decor for your home for this fall season, or as a gift for a loved one, or as a resale. Yeah. Take items that are nice and plain and add a little added touch to them, and you have something absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's ginger jar that we made together with our craft and talk. And I hope you guys enjoyed my little craft and talk today. So that's all your girls got for you. Nothing more. Until Wednesday. So thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's 2 DIYs. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.